In this video I will show you how to turn off professional mode and what will happen when you turn off professional mode on Facebook. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button to be updated with our latest upload. If you don't want to use professional mode on your profile, you can turn it off by following the steps. First, go to your profile on Facebook. Then below your profile header, click or tap the three dots icon. At the bottom portion, click this turn off professional mode. Click continue. So this is what will happen when you turn off professional mode. Your existing content or audience insights won't be available anymore. You'll lose access to enhanced safety features such as moderation assist. You'll no longer be eligible for discovery opportunities on Facebook. If you're eligible for monetization, you'll receive pending payouts or bonuses, but future bonuses payouts will be paused. However, your current friends, followers and profile content won't change. Your Who Can Follow Me preference remains public, but you can change it in settings. Your privacy settings won't change. You can turn on professional mode anytime. Finally, click turn off. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click our other videos to keep on watching.